Who built the International Space Station? In this video, we'll show you who built it and how this station works in space. The ISS has been in space for more than 20 years. Since the year 2000, astronauts have lived on it continuously. It has never been empty. The station travels around Earth at more than 27,000 kilometers per hour. Every 90 minutes, it completes one full orbit. That means astronauts see about 16 sunrises and 16 sunsets every single day. Most of the time, 6 astronauts live on the ISS, sometimes 7 during crew changes. They usually stay for about 6 months. Living in space for half a year is not easy. Life in space is very different from Earth. Astronauts float instead of walking, and even going outside requires careful preparation. They live without gravity, yet astronauts keep coming back. When one crew leaves, another crew arrives. The station keeps going day after day, year after year. The ISS is international. That means no single country owns it. Astronauts come from many different places on Earth. They come from the United States, Russia, Japan, Europe, and Canada. They speak different languages while growing up. But in space, they live as one crew. English and Russian are the main working languages. Inside the station, there are no borders, no countries, no flags, only cooperation. The ISS was not built all at once. It was built piece by piece over many years. Different countries built different parts. The United States built many of the main laboratory modules and the power systems. Russia built modules that control life support and help keep the station in the correct orbit. Japan built a laboratory used for special experiments in microgravity. Europe contributed research modules and advanced technology. Canada built a large robotic arm. This arm is used to move equipment, help astronauts during spacewalks, and capture visiting spacecraft. Each part is different, but all parts are connected just like the astronauts. As the station orbits Earth, astronauts are living and working inside these modules. This is the US laboratory called Destiny. Here, astronauts work on scientific experiments, and they study the human body, fluids, and materials in space. Astronauts float here while they work. Nothing stays on the floor. This is the Japanese laboratory called Kibo. Kibo is one of the largest modules on the station. Astronauts perform experiments here that cannot be done on Earth. Some experiments are even exposed to open space outside the station. This is the European laboratory called Columbus. It is smaller but highly advanced. Inside, astronauts study medicine, biology, and technology. Every experiment here is carefully planned from Earth. This is part of the Russian segment, including the Zvezda module. This area is critical. It helps control life support, oxygen, and daily living systems. Astronauts sleep, eat, and spend quiet time here. Life on the ISS is very different from life on Earth. Astronauts wake up floating, and they do not walk to work. They float to it. Every day they follow a strict schedule. They conduct experiments. They repair systems. They check computers and equipment. Many experiments cannot be done on Earth. Without gravity, scientists can learn new things about the human body, plants, and materials. Astronauts must exercise about 2 hours every day. Without gravity, muscles become weak. Bones lose strength. Exercise keeps them healthy. Eating in space is different too. Food does not stay on a plate. It floats. Astronauts eat specially prepared meals that do not create crumbs. Water comes in bags, not cups. Even rest takes planning in space. Living on the ISS is not without danger. Outside the station, space is silent and deadly. There is no air, no protection, no second chance. Inside the station, every system matters. Oxygen, power, temperature. Astronauts are trained to handle emergencies. They rely on each other. Trust is essential. The ISS helps us understand how humans survive in space. It prepares us for future missions to the Moon and to Mars. Even when Earth is divided, space is shared. For more than 20 years, astronauts have lived together above the planet peacefully. The International Space Station is not just metal and wires. It is a home, a laboratory, and a symbol. 6 astronauts, 1 station, orbiting 1 planet.